If you're using Windows 11 and haven't explored PowerToys yet, you're in for a treat. PowerToys is like the Swiss Army knife for your operating system, packed with utilities that can enhance your workflow and make your Windows experience even more powerful. Let's dive into each of the PowerToys tools and see how each one can improve your experience with Windows 11. Starting off with number 1, Fancy Zones. Fancy Zones is a powerful window manager that lets you create custom layouts for your open application windows. It helps you organize and manage your desktop real estate even more efficiently by snapping windows into predefined zones. So once it is activated, you can drag your windows into each of the zones, allowing for quick and precise window organization. The customizable layouts make multitasking seamless. Power Rename. Power Rename simplifies the process of renaming multiple files simultaneously. It offers advanced search and replace options, making it easy to standardize file names, add prefixes or suffixes, and much more. Simply select the files you want to rename, right-click and choose the Power Rename option. You can then apply various renaming rules to suit your needs. PowerToys Run. PowerToys Run is an ultra-fast application launcher. It helps you quickly find and launch application files and folders on your system, eliminating the need to navigate through menus. It is similar to Spotlight on macOS. So by invoking the launcher, which the default shortcut is Alt plus spacebar, you can start typing the name of the app or the file you're looking, and PowerToys Run will instantly display the relevant matches. It's a great way to save time and it streamlines your workflow. Keyboard Manager. Keyboard Manager allows you to remap the keys on your keyboard. This can be particularly useful for users who want to customize their keyboard layout or adapt it for specific tasks. You can even add macros that you couldn't do before with Windows. You can define custom key mappings, swap keys, and even create specific profiles for different scenarios. This is handy for users who have specific preferences or need to adapt their keyboard for different applications. Image Resizer. The Image Resizer simplifies the process of resizing images. It's a quick and easy tool for users who frequently need to resize the images for different purposes. Right-click on any image file, select the Image Resizer option, and choose the desired size or even create one custom size. The tool will then quickly resize the image without the need for a separate image editing application. Video Conference Mute. With the rise of a lot of remote working and virtual meetings, Video Conference Mute comes in handy. It allows you to mute and unmute your microphone and camera across multiple video conferencing applications simultaneously. So when in a video call, a simple hotkey press can mute or unmute your microphone and camera, providing a quick and efficient way to manage your audio and video settings during virtual meetings. Awake. Awake prevents your PC from going to sleep when activated. This is useful for scenarios where you need your computer to stay awake for a specific task or a presentation. Activate Awake when you want your system to prevent it from entering sleep mode. It ensures that your computer stays awake throughout the session until you deactivate the feature or manually put your computer to sleep. Color Picker. The Color Picker, when activated, allows you to use a color dropper, and upon hovering on any of the items on your screen, will let you know the hex code and the RGB values of the color that you are hovering on. It is extremely useful when working on artistic projects or even client work, and saves you a lot of time downloading the image, opening up in Photoshop, and then checking the color. So in conclusion, PowerToys, with its diverse set of tools, empowers all the Windows 11 users to customize, streamline, and enhance their computing experience. So whether you're looking to boost your productivity or manage Windows more efficiently or even customize your keyboard, PowerToys has a suite of utilities to cater to your needs. So don't forget to explore each tool and see how they transform your Windows 11 experience. So thank you all for watching. See you all in the next one.